Buxton Woods is located on Hatteras Island in the Outer Banks of North Carolina, and it is a rare and ecologically significant maritime forest. Its history is deeply tied to the natural and human history of the Outer Banks. Buxton Woods is part of a broader ecosystem known as the Outer Banks Maritime Forests, which formed thousands of years ago as sand dunes stabilized and soil accumulated. These forests developed as a result of the unique coastal conditions, with their growth supported by the relative protection from the harsh Atlantic winds provided by the dune systems. Over time, the forest evolved to include a mix of vegetation such as live oaks, pines, red cedars, and yaupon holly, adapted to the salt spray and sandy soils. Before European colonization, the area was inhabited by Native American tribes, including the Algonquin-speaking peoples. They utilized the resources of Buxton Woods for hunting, gathering, and possibly for temporary shelter. The dense forest provided a contrast to the open sandy beaches and was a valuable resource for food, medicine, and materials. With European colonization in the 16th and 17th centuries, the forest began to see more extensive use. Early settlers on Hatteras Island relied on the woods for timber, fuel, and building materials. The forest also served as a critical resource for livestock grazing, particularly hogs, which were allowed to roam freely and forage within the forest. During the 18th and 19th centuries, Buxton Woods continued to be an essential resource for the small, isolated communities on Hatteras Island. The dense forest provided a buffer against the harsh winds and storms that regularly battered the island. The forest was also a refuge for locals during hurricanes and other severe weather events. In the 20th century, the importance of Buxton Woods as a unique and fragile ecosystem became more widely recognized. The forest faced threats from development, especially as the Outer Banks became a popular tourist destination. Recognizing the need to protect this rare environment, local and state efforts were made to conserve the forest. In 1984, Buxton Woods was designated as a North Carolina coastal reserve, which provided it with greater protection from development and allowed for the preservation of its unique plant and animal life. The Buxton Woods Coastal Reserve is now part of the larger North Carolina Coastal Reserve and National Estuarine Research Reserve System, which aims to protect the state's most significant coastal ecosystems. Buxton Woods is one of the largest remaining tracts of maritime forest on the East Coast. It supports a rich biodiversity, including several rare and endangered species of plants and animals. The forest plays a crucial role in stabilizing the barrier island, protecting it from erosion, and serving as a habitat for wildlife. Scientists and researchers have long studied the forest to understand coastal ecology, the effects of climate change, and the dynamics of barrier island environments. Today, Buxton Woods remains a vital natural area on Hatteras Island. It is a popular destination for hikers, birdwatchers, and nature enthusiasts who come to experience its beauty and tranquility. The forest also continues to serve as a critical natural buffer against the increasing threats of coastal erosion and storm surges. Buxton Woods stands as a testament to the resilience of nature and the importance of conservation in preserving unique ecosystems for future generations. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more fun facts about Hatteras Island. And let us know in the comments if you've ever visited Buxton Woods.